In this video, I'm going to talk about a AI website builder that they help you can create the websites, landing page, and even the funnels. First of all, let me show you the website I have generated using this AI website builder here. So this is the website I have built, and this is the Map SEO Pro. Okay, and look at this website. This is so much engaging, pretty, and the responsive. Everything that you are right now watching on the screen for this website is working and the live here. So what I liked here of this platform, I have just given the one single prompt. I don't need to do the multiple customizations or changing the things. This is so much advanced AI. In this video, I am going to show you for generating your landing pages, website, and even the funnels. Okay, and everything is connected pretty well. So if I click here on the services, it will just move to the services section. If I click here on the result, this is the result section. And if I just going to connect any of this buttons here, it is going to show me this opt-in page where people can just add their email address and the information asked in terms of the my free service or the free thing I am giving out. So this is called the opt-in section here. So this is also going to add you for your website. So this is the FlexiFunnels, one of the best AI website builder or the funnels builder. Even if you are the consultant, you are a coach, you are a website builder, you are a designer, this is the tool. I think you should not miss it out. And right now its lifetime deal is available starting from the just $59. This tool is particularly, let me tell you, a really expensive tool because this is the good alternative of the ClickFunnels. So you can assume the pricing, it is the thousands of the every year, but here in the AppSumo we have to just pay the $49 starting price. Okay, starting price, because it has also the other tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the higher limits in terms of the page builder credits that will be the used to generating your landing pages, funnels, or the website. We have the custom domain options available. Can you imagine you have just built the website using the AI and then you have connected your own domain without lifting a single finger or without needing any coding experience or the technical experience here? Okay, so we can just get the any lifetime deal here. What I suggest, go at least with the tier 2 plan, because here we'll get the, I think, the 3 custom domains. Yeah, 3 custom domains we are getting, and the monthly visit. Basically the limits and the features you are getting in the tier 2 pricing is really good for you or any individual. So I have already created a detailed video on the FlexiFunnels that you can just watch. Simply search the FlexiFunnels review. You will find a lot of the videos on the FlexiFunnel, including mine. Okay, so what I suggest, got its lifetime deal, because I think you should not miss it out. So once you got the lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in here. So in the dashboard, you can see it is showing you this kind of the process step that you can follow and set up your account and start launching your website or creating the product. So what I liked here, within the same platform I can build the products. If this product can be my course, can be my membership, can be my digital product here. So along with the product, when this is ready to sell out, I can create the website or the funnels here or the landing page. So for do that, we have to go to the apps here, and in the app we have this all these magical apps available. So I'm going to use this one, that is the Flexi AI site builder. So in this you have to simply add your prompt about the website. So I am going to give you a quick hack here, how you can basically clone any website or any competitor's website using a single click, and then you will get a prompt like this here that you can paste on this platform, and this is going to generate this kind of the responsive and highly engaging website for you. Okay, so let me show you the tutorial here to creating the website using the FlexiFunnels AI in just few minutes. So first of all, you need a competitor website. For example, I want to create a website for selling out the service called email outreaching, and I got this competitor here, and this website is really engaging and the good layout and everything. Basically the information given on this website is the sufficient for anyone to convert easily or get sales here. So what I will use, I can simply copy the link here, okay, and go to the ChatGPT and ask to generate a prompt detailed wise, like I want to also generate a similar kind of the services offering website for me. So can you give me a prompt that I can use and in a website builder here? Okay, or what you can do, you can also use the Merlin.ai. It can be enabled on the any website or the any page. Simply click here. If you want to check it out, the Merlin deal, the link is also given in the description. It has the all these super popular AI models available in this single tab that you can use. Right now I am using the ChatGPT 4.0. This is the best in class. So I will simply ask, let me give you the prompt here. I want to also sell the same service and generate. So this is the prompt I have just entered here. Basically, it is about to clone this website with its copy, its services that is offering here, and this is the result I got here. So this is the business name, and this is the home page, the information. This is the result, statics, what we do, all this information in this single prompt I got from here. So simply I will copy this one. Let me copy this one, and then after that I will paste it on the FlexiFunnels. And here on the FlexiFunnels site, I have to click here on the start a new page. This is similar feature of the ChatGPT where we can click here on the new chat. Similar, we are clicking here on the new page here. And now I will simply click here on the single prompt website here. I will click here and simply I have to paste the prompt that I have copied from the this one, from this section here. I have pasted here, and now I am going to click here on the this enter button. By the way, there's also this option available that can also optimize the prompt for you. If you want to use it, you can do that. So simply enter here, and now it will start generating the website for you. So let me see how much time it is going to take to generate the website that is really identical with the information in this my competitor website here. So we have to wait until the website is building. And the website is built, it has the published successfully, and this is how the website look like. So you can see the colors, the layout. I am pretty much amazed. Some of the images are broken, but no worries, we can replace them anytime. Okay, but let me show you the layout and overall the responsiveness of the emails outreaching this website here. So right now, let me scroll down below. Look at this testimonials or the client's results achievement. The layout has given is really the outstanding. Let me go to below more, and you can see everything looks really good. There's also the free book, free consultation button available. That let me get to this opt-in page or the opt-in section, and this is the footer section. So overall, I am really surprised with the website it has built, and although it has taken around the 15 minutes, but results are really outstanding. It's basically like the combination. You got a really good designer, you got a AI website builder, okay, you got a copywriter, and combining all this stuff, this is the results you are getting here. So if you want to do the any changes, let me show you that how you can do that. So let me back here, close this one. Okay, and there's also the customize your page. So I am simply going to customize button here, and now it will let you the customize any section or any element of the page in a drag drop builder kind of this stuff for you. So this makes it really easy to do the changes here. So this is the editor here, and you can see I can just click on the any elements, and now it is really easy to edit this section. For example, I want to edit this section, so simply I will select this one, click here on the setting button, and now you can see this is the setting for the text. Okay, and if I go through, we have the background, we have the spacing, effects here, everything. If I go to the advanced, we have this some more controlling or the customization options available. So simply double click this one here, and now it will start available for the editing. Suppose I want to make it the bold, so I will simply make it bold here. Okay, that is good thing. Now there are the few images that are broken, so I want to change that. So simply I will select here on this image, and now I will go to the basics. This is the image settings, and now I can select the image here. So simply go to the image, and here you have to upload the image you want to add this stuff here, and now that image will be available. Same thing if you want to change this any text here, you can select the text element and double click here, and now it is ready to changing or editing. Okay, now let me scroll down below. You can see I can just customize anything. Suppose you want to add a new thing or new section, how you can do that? There's this plus icon available, simply click that, and now we have all these options available that with a single click I can drag and drop here anywhere on this my website. Okay, we have this so many components available individually, I can do that. We have the rows available, we have the elements, forms, other sections. Okay, and if I scroll down below, if you have this some coding experience and want to do that, we have this view code option available that lets you change the coding and do the some coding things here on the main screen. So this is how the FlexiFunnels let you the over totally AI generated website elements or the section control to you. If you want to do any changes, you can easily do that, whether you are a technical person or a non-technical person. Okay, so this is how the FlexiFunnels lets you create the website easily, so damn easy that I think you don't want to believe that. Okay, and in just so much affordable pricing, you can get this super powerful AI builder for you. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, if you want to check out its lifetime deal, the link is given in the description. And if you have any queries around the FlexiFunnels, or you want to let me test a new features on the FlexiFunnels, just let me know in the comments. I will happy to answer them and assist you. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.